What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you stopping back as we continue the journey on the Trailboss. I got a quick upload today for you. So we're installing some LED lights. So for some reason, the new Trailboss, all the lights in it are LED except for the backup lights and the license plate lights. So got on the good old Amazon and ordered these two pairs of lights. So the reverse lights, you can read that, is a L-T15 white, and then the license plate lights are the LT10 white. So again, it's going to be super quick, super easy to do. So on the tail lights, if I can bring you up here. Still working out this camera situation. So on the reverse brake lights, there's two. I think they're T15, T20, maybe T10 bolts in there. You take those two bolts out, and this kind of slides out. But you got to kind of jerk it out the first time because it's on a, there's a clip in here. You're not breaking the clip, it's like a post clip. So you pull it out and then we'll change it out. So without further ado, let's get some tools. All right, so we got our impact driver extension. It's a T15. I got my impact drill. And again, we're going to just pop out these two screws here. Okay, so two screws. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to pull this back just like so. And then let me bring you guys in closer. So again, if you look at your reverse light location and kind of follow it around, there is this, go to the other side. There is that light bulb placement. You're just going to turn that to the left and pull it out and put the other one back in. All right, so just to kind of show the two, so that's the halogen bulb and that's the new LED bulb. It literally has LEDs. There's three there. There's three on the top and then there's three on the back. So it's super bright. So let's get this installed. All right, I don't know if you can see how bright that is, but there's the stock one. It's got a yellow tint to it. And that is a bright white. So let me get it in. All right, so now we're going to tackle the plate lights. As you can see, they're halogen. They got that yellow tint to them. So we're going to change those out. So first thing I'm going to do is go under the truck and take out the old one. Let's get under the truck. Okay, so under the truck, driver's side, here's the exhaust. If you follow the exhaust up, you can see that plug right there. That is the plug that we want to pull out and change the bulb out. Okay, so that's the driver's side one. That's the left, the passenger side one. You can see the difference. So let's do the passenger side one. All right, just to show you a size comparison. The halogen on the right, the LED on the left. This LED's got one on each side and then one up top. And then if you compare that to the brake light, you can see how much bigger the brake light bulb is. All right, let's get this one placed in. Okay, so passenger side tailpipe. Find your trailer hitch. If you look up in there, there is the bulb placement that we need to get. All right, guys, that's it. Literally, from the time I opened the garage to the time I installed the lights to the time that I'm making this here, 15 minutes is all it took to replace the 2 backup lights and the plate lights on this 2024 Chevy Trailboss. If you guys like these videos, they're helpful to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel as we continue to bring these videos out. As always, I appreciate all the love and support, and until the next video, Hulk's out.